Profitable greetings to all viewers of our channel. Today is Thursday, which means now it's time to start trading. In this video, we'll show you a couple of successful deals, the logic of decision making, and what result came out of it. Before watching this video, don't forget to put the royal like and check the subscription. Your activity motivates us to make more videos. So let's get started. Today we'll trade on an unusual currency pair. Why unusual? Because this currency pair has not yet been present in our videos, and it will be euro and the Canadian dollar. So I prepared the currency pair on the broker, and now I do the same on the TradingView platform for technical analysis. And right now the price has passed before our eyes, and the rebound from the potential support level is starting. I don't think for a long time. I immediately open a trade for $250 for an increase. And if you think that I made a decision too quickly, let me explain my logic. What do we have here? A resistance level is clearly visible before your eyes, where the price has come into contact with it several times. In addition to this resistance level, there is already an upward trend in the chart, and accordingly to this trend line, we have a trend support level. What do we have in general? We have two serious indicators confirming that the price has approached the zone, which will potentially prevent it from passing through this area, and there will be a price rebound. Here's the same level of resistance. Once again, I show you this trend support level. Once again, you may think that decisions are made too quickly, but when you work with charts daily, devote 3, 5, 8, 10 hours of trading every day, you will already be reading these charts and shelling them like seeds. I think my decision-making algorithm is clear to you. I said that we have two levels here. One is a mirror level, which was earlier, by the way, a resistance level, and now it has become a support level for the price, plus the trend of the support level, which also did not allow the price to break through this zone. I hope that this decision-making logic is clear to you. If you do the same when you see such patterns, please give a like, because your activity motivates us go on. As a result of this transaction, you can doubt, and you are thinking how to reinforce your confidence in the forecast, we recommend you to turn to the incredible Scalper bot. After all, the robot gives more than 100 predictions every day. Thanks to the analysis of the robot, you can increase your confidence in making a decision, as well as increase the number of profitable trades. A link to this miracle of technology is available in the description. Meanwhile, our open deal with you ends with the most confident plus. For the entire time of opening this transaction, we had partially no doubts that this transaction would be able to enter. I remind you that it's precisely with such indicators and patterns that you can work and try to work out rebounds. In this case, everything went as smoothly as possible. Well, let's move on to the next currency pair. It will be the New Zealand dollar and the USD, another currency pair with which we haven't working within the limits of this video. I am preparing this currency pair on the broker, and here we have already a different picture than in the previous currency pair. Let's do a quick technical analysis. In general, we have a downtrend here. I am now making laws to determine the price movement. Thanks to this downtrend, we now understand that the price has reached its bottom and is planning to turn around. Note the lowest support level and the next low. We see that they are rising, and this may tell us about the beginning of an uptrend. Therefore, without lagging for a long time, we can open an uptrend with you and immediately prepare finances in case of a downgrade in order to make an overlap and earn much more. As you can see, the overlap time was no longer incoming. Our price went down, and therefore I immediately increased the amount by 2.5 times and opened another deal for a larger amount. And now I am waiting for the result of this decision. Once again, friends, what I want to say is that after looking at this currency, we immediately realized that we have a potential uptrend. When you see that the price is in contact with a support level or a resistance level, you expect either an increase in the price or a decrease, respectively. In this case, I expect that we will continue the upward movement, and in this short-term transaction, we will be able to take our profit. Even if the chart quotes of the end of the transaction are slightly higher than at least one of our transactions, in this case, this is the overlap level. We will take the profit from this transaction with you and can finish this video. At the moment, I still expect that the price will capture both of our opening transaction, and we will be able to fix a very good profit. While the chart doesn't provide me with such pleasure, I had been nervous and expect the price to move, but still there is a belief that this deal will come in, because we have patterns that told us about it, and right now a rapid upward movement has begun. The price has already become higher than closed transaction, and if it continues to be at this level, we remind you that we will still be in the black from this transaction. There is a potential that the chart will also affect our main open initial transaction, and we will be able to take our profit from this. As you can see, my forecast is beginning to justify itself, and upward growth this demonstrates. It's perfectly. It seems that now everything is already, as they say, on the ointment, and our both transactions will be closed in plus. But unfortunately, at the end of the transaction, the chart was still much lower than our main transaction, and we take profit only from the overlap. But what is with the bottom line? But what are the conclusions? You and I have very clearly worked on these zones. This is already the second video about how this level worked out very well, and we can say with confidence that we closed this 2 deal with excellent profit. I hope you like this video, and if so, please subscribe to the channel, like this video and make crazy profits together with the Scalper Bot.